All right, guys, we got a sexy 2020 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Look at that thing. Sexy. Factory converter there, as usual. Wise into a single there. And then flex pipe. Then what we put on it is a Black Widowmaker instead of the muffler. Part number right there. There's a Black Widow right there. Sexy little canister. Then we ran piece of 3-inch pipe because of the muffler's longer. There's usually a valve there we take it off too. Make sure you guys have your muffler shop take it off too. And then run 3-inch. We went ahead and blocked the resonators because he wanted it louder. So that's what we did, as you guys can see there. And then to finish it off, we put a sexy Namonte tip, angle cut, dual tip out the back to finish the look. Came out really clean, really nice. As you guys can see, that's the valve I was talking to you guys about right there. It's spring loaded, opens and closes with certain exhaust pressure. So that's why you always take that out. If you leave it in there, it will rattle. And that's the tip after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA, if you want to come say hi. Yeah, it's a lot better now. Black Widowmaker. That sounds good. Decibels. Again. Right at 105. Nice idle to it. You can see that he's had a lot of fun with this truck because that tire's burned out. It sounds so good. Black Widowmaker. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Anyways, Black Widowmaker, Black Widowmaker, resonator delete, and dual tip. Oh yeah, very nice. Enjoy, my boys.